Good morning, guys. It's another day here on the farm and another Azure order. We get an order once every 2 or 3 months. Not quite as big as some other creators on here, but every once in a while I'll do a larger order. Here I'm adjusting the camera, setting my tea down, and getting ready. You know what? I ordered all this stuff from Azure and then realized the pickup was so early. I'm in my pajamas still. I got cream cheese because I saw a creator on here get cream cheese from Azure, and I was like Mean Girls, and I just had a copy. I'm excited to try it out. Here's me not knowing what I'm doing and putting it away. Oh, I needed scissors. I forgot. These boxes, they really put them on tight. Like they make sure that food ain't going nowhere. And here's me half asleep trying to figure out how to get it open. I seem to be managing pretty well. What's in here? Let's see. Lots of stuff. They really do pack this sucker full. Oh, I've got elderberries. I want to make some elderberry syrup for the fall. Some flaxseed for our homemade granola. And when mom doesn't have enough eggs from the chickens because they're freeloaders sometimes. Oh, yeah, look at my cute shirt. Well, cute sweatshirt. It says whatever. That's what I was feeling this morning. Some cornstarch, non GMO, organic. Some more of that. Like I said, Azure is a bulk order company. And here's me trying to figure out where everything's going. Making a little box of stuff that's going to go to the pantry outside in the shop. And some stuff that's going to stay in. The pantry inside this 1970s kitchen is tiny. It literally has room for like 3 things in it. Here's my giant bag of my 9-grain rolled oats that we use to make our homemade granola. It tastes so good. It's like a combination of a whole bunch of different things in there, not just oats. So it gives it more texture and more girth when you're trying to eat it. It's more filling. Kids don't mind it, but Logan and I really like it. Here's me opening another box that they tied together, pretending to be, a magician, and tying it super tight so no one could ever get into it. Oh, maple syrup. That is some of the best maple syrup we've had in a long time. Quit buying it because I couldn't find any good maple syrup. And honey. I use this for granola and a lot of baking and even my teas in the morning. So we need a lot. They always send a magazine. I rarely read it. Lemon juice. This one just tastes so good. It tastes like fresh squeezed, like I just squeezed the lemons. Horseradish for my husband. Getting into fall. Lots of pot roast. Oh, more honey, because, gotta get it when it's got it. Last time I ordered honey was like 3 months ago, and it's been out of stock since. So I kind of went crazy and ordered 2 big ones. Pizza cheese! That's what my kids call it. It's so good. Do you hear me? Do you see what I did there? I was like, it's so good. Oh, double. Because you know what? I wanted to make sure we had enough because these kids are obsessed with homemade pizza with this cheese. It is just the right amount of salty. I don't know where I carried the cheese over there. Oh, yeah, because it's going to the outside fridge. And another box that they sealed to all be get out. Let's see if I can get this one open. Here's my kid trying to be in the video. He does this every single video I make. He sticks his head in for some reason. Maybe he wants to be TikTok famous. Oh, what am I doing? Let's see. And back to the box. Oh, tea break. Apparently moving this cheese around is heavy and hard work. Oh, what's in here? Some seeds for our granola. We're a nut-free house, so we do a lot of pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds for the granola instead. Seems to work well for us. Some more stuff for granola. And more for the granola. That one will probably go out into the shop. I don't know why I put it there. And I've got salt. I love their pink Himalayan salt. We got it because Living Traditions Homestead recommended it. It's really good. More pumpkin seeds for the granola. It's like basically everything's for the granola. Also some sesame seeds for Asian bowls. Hemp seeds for the granola. Got to add some extra protein in there. Maybe I should have called this my granola haul instead of my Azure standard haul. More cheese. That cheese is pretty good too. It's more of like an aged cheddar, so it'd be good for like snacking cheese and crackers kind of a deal. Not or like a really savory mac and cheese, not for pizza. It's rather the little blocks because it's usually for just me. I've got some more stuff here. I can't see what it is. Oh my goodness. I'm sure it's good. And oh, flour. Gotta get flour. I think I order flour every single time I get an Azure haul. The other thing I always order almost every single time is frozen berries. I actually like the wild blueberries way better than the regular blueberries. I think I was spoiled, and raspberries we get every single time. Love the raspberries. See you guys for the next haul.